We get to celebrate amazing teachers, and here at Lefler, you guys have some pretty cool teachers, wouldn't you say? Now, we think you have a really amazing teacher, and we're here to award the Florence J. Middle School Award. And we have a whole bunch of middle school teachers at LPS, right? But you have the best middle school teacher in the district, middle school teacher of the year, right here in this room. Would Mrs. Steckelberg please?
I could not do this without the people that I've encountered throughout all the years in LDS. I've been to 3 different schools, Belmont, North Star Middle School, high school, and then here. And I have encountered wonderful teachers and students everywhere I've been. And it takes a whole entire group of people to work together. So I'm blessed that I have those people to work with. Thank you guys.
Now, recognition is awesome, and we love to celebrate Mrs. Steckelberg and all that she does for teachers, for Lefler and for the district. But wouldn't it be great if we could give her something else that she could really spoil herself?
Thank you. I appreciate the award. I appreciate the donation and the recognition that teaching it's a tough job, and it does take everybody to do this. I can't do this by myself. There's no way I could have ever have done this. So thank you for recognizing the hard work that we all put in and how much care we really do truly have for the children in Lincoln Public Schools. Thank you for the nomination. Thank you for the donation. And thank you, Lincoln Public Schools. The support that you give the teachers is outstanding. I wouldn't want to work for anybody else. Thank you.